The inverted row is a simple exercise that helps build upper body strength and is easily altered for people of all fitness levels. Grab the handles and walk back until you're standing tall with straight arms and the straps of the suspension trainer are tight. Lean back and walk your feet forward until you're at the desired depth. Maintain a straight line from your feet to the top of your head. Avoid flying your ribcage by bringing your MyZone and belt buckle closer together. If you don't have a MyZone, think trash compactor abs. If you have trouble maintaining this position, squeezing a yoga block or rolled up shirt between your thighs can help engage your core. Pull the handles back until your elbows are next to your sides, then slowly push the handles away with the same tension until your arms are straight again. Think about scraping your elbows on the floor to avoid shrugging your shoulders up. Shoot for 15 reps. If you can't complete the desired amount of reps, simply walk back slightly to lessen the resistance. When you can hit 15 reps with good form, walk further forward to make it more challenging. Once you get to the point that you cannot perform the move without your feet sliding out of position, increase the intensity by progressing to the bent leg inverted row. Now get strong.